Hey Drop Services, Dylan Sigley here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about the 3 best ways to make money online and how you can get started with one of them right now. If you're interested in starting and growing an online business, be sure to click the subscribe button and notification bell. You'll get informative videos on drop servicing, making money online, and related topics dropped weekly and maybe even more than that. So let's get into it. The first way to make money online I'm going to talk about is freelancing. Now, you've probably heard the term freelancing before, and that's because it's become pretty popular. It's basically when you work on a per contract basis for one or more companies as opposed to being employed by a single company on a fixed contract. Instead of relying on one source of income, freelancers take on multiple jobs at a time and have multiple revenue streams from different companies. So it's a popular digital nomad strategy and pretty straightforward, right? Now, probably the biggest upside of freelancing is you can gain a lot more freedom with how you sell your time than you do when employed in a traditional job, right? You can choose where and when you work. Most freelancers will focus on delivering one type of service, but you can build up and with enough skills offer multiple services over time. So some of the most in-demand services to offer as a freelancer include copywriting, web development, web design, media marketing, and much more. And in fact, the recent changes in the world have made hiring freelancers even more desirable for a lot of companies, especially around hiring remote workers. Let's take freelance copywriting as an example. A skilled copywriter can work on different projects as and when they want or need. Maybe one week a copywriter can take a project writing an ebook for a client for $1,200, then maybe the next week write email scripts for another client for $2,000. The thing with freelancing is that the choice is yours about how you spend your time and what projects you take on. However, one of the biggest downsides of freelancing is having to actually find work, right? Some freelancers can find a handful of regular clients that provide that stability, but this takes time. So when starting out, where do I recommend you go to find work? Well, there are a bunch of well-established freelancer platforms around you can use, like Fiverr, Freelancer.com, Upwork.com. All of them have heaps of opportunities to find jobs or projects to apply for. Upwork is the platform I'm most familiar with, so I'll use them as an example to run through how to find jobs. Upwork is also the platform you're most likely to find the highest paid freelancing jobs. Fiverr and Freelancer.com are more well known for cheaper jobs, basically. So the first thing you have to do is set up your profile. On your profile, you can list all of your services and the services you're going to provide to build instant credibility. I recommend that you reach out to any past clients and ask them to leave you a positive rating and testimonial on your new profile, and anyone really that you can give a quick job to and then get a testimonial. So once you have set up your profile, you can then look for jobs or projects to apply for. On Upwork, you can search for keywords that match your expertise and find jobs that are appropriate for the skills that you have. So when you see a job or a project that you'd like to apply for, you have to submit a proposal. This is basically a job application, and by using the Upwork platform, the client can check out your profile to see how much experience you have and how well you're rated by other users of the platform. So when submitting your proposal, you need to tell them how much you're going to charge the client. I recommend when you're starting out, stick with the rates the client has already listed. In the beginning, you're aiming to get clients to build your credibility, so it's pointless trying to negotiate too much, but sometimes they don't have a price listed with the job. You have to set your pay rate in your proposal. I recommend that you search around for other freelancers in your niche and see how much they're charging, then use this to your advantage. Your aim is to undercut these freelancers while still charging as much as you need to make it worthwhile, right? Another way to stand out when applying for jobs on Upwork is to make sure you use personalized cover letters when you're sending your proposal. You want to carefully read job posts, make sure you fully understand them, and submit a cover letter so that it makes it obvious that you've actually read and understood the job ad, right? For example, if you're applying for a copywriting job, then not only include links to your work that are published online, but make sure you use your skills to write a great letter. When you start to get clients, the goal then becomes making as many of them as possible your long-term clients. This will help you to build a more stable income, and you'll spend less time having to sign up new clients, so you can focus on doing more paid work, which is the most important thing at the end of the day, getting paid for your work. So once you've signed up clients, this is when it's a good idea to try to move the relationship off the Upwork platform so you don't have to pay them a commission for every job, which I think is around 30%. So that's basically freelancing. Overall, if you have a skill in demand, there are hundreds of opportunities for you to sell that service to clients from all over the world, regardless of where you live. You don't need a lot of money to get started, and you can start today. So the cool thing about it is you can always build skills, learn skills with free YouTube videos, and then start being a freelancer. Now, the second way to make money online I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows anyone to make money online when they help facilitate sales for e-commerce companies. But I do get asked a lot whether or not you can actually make money online with affiliate marketing. The short answer is yes. With affiliate programs, you can earn extra money and even a full-time income if you're really good at it. But like any other way to make money online, success comes not from what you do to make money, but doing it correctly and consistently at the end of the day. So affiliate marketing really needs to have a website, blog, or social media channel you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate partners' websites. You can also pay to promote your affiliate offers through various ad networks and other platforms if you know what you're doing. But I want to be clear, if you want to make money quickly and without much effort, then affiliate marketing is not for you. You have to be prepared to put in a lot of hard work and effort, and even then success is not guaranteed, of course, just with anything, right? So here is what you need in order to start an affiliate income business. Firstly, you need an offer, which means a product or service that you're willing to sell on behalf of other people or companies. The best place to find an offer is an affiliate network platform. So these platforms will help match you up with people or companies that have offers but are lacking the time or skills to promote them. So with people like you that can do this job for them in exchange for an affiliate commission fee, they're pretty happy to engage in that relationship. So once you've found a good affiliate network to join like ClickBank, you can then find an offer that matches the interest area of your website, blog, social media accounts, etc., or an offer you want to promote through paid traffic channels. The majority of affiliate marketers use paid traffic to promote their offer, and you can use advertising networks to promote your offer like Google AdSense, and your offer will be displayed to website visitors on the websites within the ad network. So it's actually quite easy to do this if you learn the basics, and most of the work is done automatically for you once you set it up and work out how much you're willing to pay per click. Now, the downside is that you take the risk that no one ever buys your offer, right? And you still have to pay for all of the clicks. It also means that you need to have some money to launch an affiliate business if you go down the paid traffic route through your part-time job, whatever it may be. So now you have your offer that you're going to promote and have lined up how you're going to promote it. Your next step is to set up an account with an affiliate tracking platform. So trackers are tools that count all clicks, costs, and payouts and present them to you for analysis. You will then be able to tweak your campaign to make it more profitable. Here are some of the best tips I have and have heard from other industry professionals about how to make the most money using affiliate marketing. Find out what other people are doing and what has worked for them. A great way to do this is to join affiliate forums and Facebook groups. People are always willing to share their knowledge and expertise with newcomers if you ask them, because people like helping other people at the end of the day. It makes them feel good, right? So do your research. Before you choose a vertical, search online to get to know what you want to advertise or promote. Find out what people ask about on websites like Quora and Stack Exchange. This will show there is a demand for the product or service that you're going to promote. Test the offer yourself as well. Check the offer's quality and make sure that the whole sales process is simple and easy to follow. So learn how to write great copy is another good point. Simply writing buy this great product, click here, isn't going to cut it. Most people have a BS detector that they will use to simply ignore your offer. Learn to write concise and sincere content, track everything that you do as well. Having data is crucial for affiliate marketers. Data allows you to optimize your sales funnels. Be honest as well, it's very important, right? Don't bombard your visitors with overly positive pictures of your product, or you're going to come across as spammy and desperate. Provide an honest review of your offer with all of the pros and cons clearly listed. You'll come across as much more trustworthy, which will lead to more sales in the long run. So digital ad spending is projected to surpass traditional advertising very soon. So there is always an opportunity to make money online through affiliate marketing. If you put in the work, then you can expect to make quite good money over time. And like a lot of other online businesses, you can do it from anywhere, which is the most important thing, right? So guys, that is the first 2 ways to make money online. I hope you're still with me here. The third way to make money online I want to talk about, something I'm more expert in, something I do personally, drop servicing, obviously, right? Now, if you've watched me in my other videos or know anything about me, you'll know that drop servicing is my specialty. It's how I've made most of my money online, and I now teach others how to do drop servicing through my education company, the Drop Servicing Blueprint. So drop servicing is a great way to make money online, especially for beginners. I know, you're probably thinking, but I need thousands of dollars, right? Actually, no, you can set up and run a successful online business without having too much to invest in terms of cash, and not even much of your time either. Drop servicing involves selling high quality services to businesses. It's similar to subcontracting. All you do is provide a service and outsource the labor required for that service to freelancers from countries with lower costs of living. So since you're paying a low rate for a high quality service, you're able to achieve high profit margins on your sales, and this gives your business a competitive advantage when it comes to marketing your service. So your role as the business owner is of course to find clients, or even better, have clients come to you and focus on selling them your service at a price high enough that you make a significant profit. That's drop servicing in a nutshell. You're probably thinking that sounds good and all, but how do I actually get started? Well, here is my advice, and I know this works because it has worked for me personally and for thousands of people following my drop servicing blueprint content. So the first thing you need to do is pick a service that you're going to sell. One of the best ways to find the perfect niche is to research what other successful businesses are doing. You don't want to reinvent the wheel at the end of the day, because other people have already spent thousands and thousands of dollars to learn the best way to sell things and get results. So these companies have been in business for a while, so you can be sure it's working for them. And here's the secret sauce with drop servicing, guys. You don't need to reinvent the wheel at all, okay? With drop servicing, there are some great niches that you can offer, all of which have huge demand for them. So I'm going to break those down for you now. The best ones right now: animation services, editing and proofreading, content writing, blog writing, copywriting, lead generation, social media management, market research, and email marketing services. So I'll go more in depth into those in other videos, but your next step is to find freelance partners, and this step is critical. You need to find a team of freelancers that will actually carry out the work for each project you secure. If you can't find freelancers that can do the work to a high standard for less than what you can charge clients, then you don't have a business. The best platforms to find freelancers, as discussed earlier in the video, Upwork, Fiverr, and student job boards. Before you jump in and hire someone though, make sure you give them a test to do something like creating a sample web design or write a blog post. Also, take the time to review their profile, feedback rating, length of years in the industry, and how much they're charging, right? From there, create a short list of freelancers and pick the top ones. Make sure that you don't just go for the cheapest option though. This can blow up in your face if their quality isn't that good. It's better to spend a little bit more and get a more talented freelancer to work with. It's really important that you get this step right, because the client doesn't know you're outsourcing, and you can't make excuses if you fail to deliver. Over the long term as well, you want to bring someone in-house who's working personally only in your team that is really good. So once you've decided on your niche and found freelancers to carry out project delivery, the next step is to create your offer. Let's say you're going to offer web design packages. Well, you could then create 3 tiers of web design services: gold, silver, and bronze, each at a different price point with a different level of service. What you want to offer here is value, not your time. Let me explain what I mean here. Don't make the mistake of thinking about it like you're selling your time, like you would if you were freelancing. present it as a service that provides their business great value. For example, if your service is web design, a gold package could be logo design and 10 pages designed for $1,000. Silver could be logo design and 7 pages designed for $850. And the bronze package could be logo design and just 5 pages designed for $600. These packages provide clear value for potential clients because, for example, they won't have to take on a new employee, which can be costly and time consuming for a business to do, right? That's why they hire externally. Your next step is to start marketing your services to potential clients. If you're just starting, cold email campaigns are by far the most cost-effective way to find clients. You can use Google or LinkedIn to find hundreds of your target clients and send them an email with your offer. What I found most effective is to set up your campaign so clients are sent an initial email and then automatically start following up with them until they reply. So the aim should be to get the client to your website and booking a sales call with you, or even better, buying your service directly or having a salesperson do the calls. So this is why it is really important to make sure that you have your own website and have profiles on top freelancing platforms. Having a good looking website will make you look way more professional and build credibility quickly when they open your offer emails. You don't even need to be a web designer, because the good news is you can use platforms like WordPress, Shopify or Squarespace to build your website for under $100, even if you have very limited technical skills. Now that you're making sales and delivering a high quality service, you can now start to look to automate your business and scale up. Every part of your business can be automated by software or by humans, your freelancers ideally, and you want to get to the point where the whole process from emailing prospective clients to project delivery and getting paid is being automated so that you don't have to do the work yourself, because at the end of the day, starting an online business is all about freedom, right? So this allows you to build massive scale in your business, and the first thing you should automate is your sales emails. By using email automation software and setting up automated campaigns, you'll be able to send out hundreds of emails a week to your highly targeted potential clients, saving you a heap of time at the end of the day. It can take a lot of time to send these emails. I remember in the beginning I was sending them myself and it took hours and hours, but once you've mastered your business process, it won't be hard to find more freelancers to increase your capacity as you scale up. And with automation, you'll be able to do this very rapidly at minimal cost. And that's it, guys. That's how you get started with drop servicing. Drop servicing is a simple and underrated business model that you can take advantage of today. And there are companies out there who need your services, and you can be the person to provide them with that service for a healthy profit, of course. As more of the world's economy is going online, especially with what's been happening in the world recently, this makes drop servicing one of the quickest ways to start making money online within a short period of time, and without needing to invest too much time learning new skills or investing too much of your own money. So that's today's video, guys. Hopefully after this you'll take the plunge and start your first online business. Once again, like this video for maximum virility, subscribe, notification bell, and comment below any questions you have and we can answer them in an upcoming video. Until next time, drop services.